And in this video I'm going to show you Mikey's quick couplers, and these are designed to save you from doing major replumbing jobs when a nut breaks on a bulkhead union, salt cell union, backwash valve, or some other part of the plumbing where there's a union on there. And these are designed to eliminate doing this when one of these nuts break. So you can easily replace a valve nut, a bulkhead nut, a salt cell union nut, or backwash valve nut with Mikey's quick couplers. And so once you have the union plumbed in, there's no way to get this nut off without replumbing the entire area. But now with Mikey's quick couplers, you can put a new nut on or a quick coupler without having to cut this off and replumb it. Like in this case, to replace this union here where this flow viz is would take hours and a lot of replumbing. Instead, with Mikey's quick coupler, it takes about 1 minute. And here are some more examples of Mikey's quick couplers in action for members of my coaching group. You can see that these are really effective out there for a lot of different applications. And currently he has a coupler for a Pentair or Hayward Salt cell. You can also use this on some other unions around your pool equipment. Here's one for a Pentair backwash valve, and this will sometimes work on certain Pentair bulkhead unions. And he also makes a Prayer 2-inch ball valve coupler. And he also makes a quick coupler for the Jandy Caretaker. And his newest one is the H200, and this fits a Hayward backwash valve. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to replace a cracked nut on your pool equipment, Mikey's quick couplers definitely is the answer. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.